which is a better version of my bike here. I am in love with the new 2025 Street Bob. I had more fun riding the Street Bob than what I did riding the new Lowrider ST. And I gotta tell you, I think I'm in love with another softail. Welcome back to another video. Right here we have my 2024 Harley Davidson Lowrider ST in this beautiful tobacco fade. I love this tank badging right here so much. It's just so cool. If you didn't know, this is a record, like a record I put on a record player to listen to music. How awesome is that? It's just, I don't know, it's one of the cool things that sometimes I look at the bike and I'm like, that's cool. So yes, this bike is awesome. I love it. It is my favorite bike that Harley Davidson makes. But with that being said, I just finished getting off all the softails in February. I was out in Austin with the Harley Davidson team riding all the brand new 2025 softail models, and I gotta tell you, I think I'm in love with another softail, and let's get on the bike and talk about it. I just love the amount of power that this 131 makes on here, man. Even at slow speeds, it just feels like it wants to dominate the road. I tried to tweak up the audio in the helmet from the last video because it was a little glitchy. So hopefully today's a different story. We got a brand new setup, brand new helmet, brand new camera. Just a brand new setup for you guys, man. All right. Weird. It just didn't want to go into third gear. Anyways, well, let's just, all right, took fourth. All right, so I need to tell you guys that I am in love with the new 2025 Street Bob. I don't know what it is. I took that bike out in Austin, rode it around the twisties, rode it on the highway, rode around some beautiful roads, and God, I fell in love with how comfortable and how responsive that bike is. If I was getting a bike today and the Lowrider ST wasn't an option, or let's just say, hey, I want to add a secondary softail to the lineup, it would be the Street Bob, man. It's so good. It's so forgiving. And we'll dive into all the details on why I think it's so forgiving and why it's so good right now. I just feel like the Street Bob at times gets overshadowed and overlooked because a lot of people are looking at the Lowrider S. I mean the Lowrider S, the Lowrider S, and the Lowrider ST. But we forget how good the Street Bob is, including myself. There's times when people just ask me for my opinion because they want to get a bike, and you know, I always tell people go with a Lowrider ST. I mean, this is just my preference. I just love this bike. I think it's perfect for me, and perfect for what I want to use this bike for. But the Street Bob, wow. So let's just start off by saying that even though I feel super confident on this bike, I feel like I could ride it real fast. I feel much more confident and much faster on a Street Bob. Literally, I feel like I'm a faster rider on a Street Bob. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because the bike just feels lighter, but there's something about that bike that when I was taking it around the twisties, I was having so much fun with it. By the time I returned that bike, at the end of the day, I think that half of the foot peg was gone because I was literally just dragging peg all day. I had to. Yeah, man, like I was literally just diving deep into those twisties, into the corners. And yes, this bike here has a much better ground clearance from the Street Bob. I think it does. I'm pretty sure it does. And if it doesn't, then I just felt extremely confident on that bike, because the way I was just leaning that thing over, it just, I don't know, it felt like second nature to me. It felt real comfortable, and that honestly was probably my favorite part. That's what kind of told me, hey, I got on this bike, I feel really comfortable on it and real confident, to the point where I could lean it over more, I could ride it faster more, confident enough to do things that I wouldn't necessarily feel comfortable on getting on another bike, if that makes any sense. All the idiots are out driving today. There's something really special about a bike when you get on that particular bike and you get that type of confidence to allow you to be a better rider. Let's be serious. I mean, I've gotten on bikes before where I don't feel as confident to do those type of things or ride it in a certain type of way. You know, I feel like I need to be more tamed down in a bit until I spend a lot of time on it in order to get real accustomed to it. But that's the beauty about the Street Bob, is that for me, for example, I got on it, I felt like I was right at home. I felt like I was able to just ride that bike like it was mine, which is another thing. Sometimes I do a lot of these press rides at times, and I get on a lot of different bikes, and I don't ride them the way I ride my own bike, because at the end of the day, it's just not mine, and I don't feel right at home. So I'm usually very tamed down on these bikes. I never really ride those bikes the way I ride this one, and this one, we're cruising at 90 plus most of the time, or bring it up to 100 and something when we're in Mexico, and it's just different because the bike is mine, and I feel at home. But that just goes to tell you that the comfort level that, for example, me, I had on that bike is just unspeakable. I loved it. I felt like it was mine, and I walked away that day with a big smile on my face, and not because I was riding all the softails, because that day I was lucky enough to, get on the Breakout, get on the Fat Boy. I got on the Lowrider S, just all the softails. We're riding them all day, and even though I got on the brand new Lowrider S and Lowrider ST, the one that I got off and felt super good about and walked away with a huge smile on my face was the Street Bob. Like, how crazy is that? How crazy is that? I had more fun riding the Street Bob than what I did riding the new Lowrider ST, which is a better version of my bike here. And that's crazy to even say, me being a Lowrider ST owner. I don't know, man. If you guys are out there and you're in the market right now for a softail, the first bike you should be looking at is the Street Bob. First of all, it's the cheapest one in the softail lineup, so that's like your, let's say, your entry-level cruiser in a way, besides the Sportsters, right? But when it comes to like a mid-size cruiser, that's going to be your entry-level one. Another thing I love about it is that the Street Bob is just like very bare bone. It's like stripped down. You can take it in different directions. You could do like a bobber build with it. You could do a club style build with it. You could just leave it stock. Even in stock form with the stock bars, the bike feels amazing. Now with the 117 in it, has a ton of power. The riding modes, it's just a really, really good bike. The Street Bob that we have today for 2025 is not the same Street Bob that I was looking at back in 2019. Before I got my other Lowrider S that I had, I was looking at a Street Bob around that time, and it was probably going to be my contender. It really was until I saw the Lowrider S. But the Street Bob was the one that I was going to get. Yeah, imagine where we would have been at now. This bike sounds so good. I mean, we're under a tunnel. Look how dope those lights look in the front, man. Just super, super cool. I gotta actually take off the yellow cover off the main LP6 because I've had it on for a long time. And the cool thing about this is that it's just a rock cover. I could just literally take it off and it'll be white after that. So that's really cool about the rock covers for the Baja lights. You could change your look, change the looks of the bike just by taking a little cover off. And this person is just gonna stay, so we're gonna go. And we're gonna go and get on the highway. Welcome to Jersey, where all the roads are shitty, potholes everywhere. I don't know why my helmet smells like cinnamon. I don't know. Oh, I know why. I know why. Daily digest, that daily 100 digest. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta feel it to love it. But yeah, just to finalize everything, it would be awesome to literally start another softail project and make it around the Street Bob and go a different direction with it. Like if I had the opportunity to do that, I wouldn't just go ahead and do a club style, because you know we did that with the Lowrider S already, and then the Lowrider ST is like more of a club style type of feel. I would definitely go a different route with the Street Bob. Definitely some bobber type of look and feel, and I don't know, just something different, something, I don't know. But that would be cool. Would you guys like to see something like that on the channel? Would you? That dog was mean. Anyways, what are your thoughts on the Street Bob? Do you like it? Do you not like it? And if you're thinking about getting a softail right now, try it out. Give it a shot. Take it out for a test ride and let me know what you think. Come back to the video and let me know if I'm wrong or right. Anyways, we got more content coming, more upgrades coming for the Lowrider ST right here. If you're not yet subscribed, then what are you waiting for? It's free. Subscribe, hit that bell button, share it with your friends, comment, and yeah, we got other cool stuff coming down the pipeline. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. I'm gonna keep enjoying this chilly day out here, chilly and gloomy day out here in dirty Jersey. It's so cloudy. It's been raining for the past 3 days, and I just want some sun and warm weather. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.